Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error, so how you can easily allow contacts to everyone on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here screen time, just open screen time. Here you need to choose content and privacy restrictions, and sorry, not content and privacy restrictions but always allowed. And here you can see contacts, so just choose everyone, and here you can see apps that use its phone app, messages, FaceTime, and maps. Also, you can add here some apps that will use your contacts again. So just choose from this list. If you want to add them, just tap on on the left side. You can see add button. Just tap on it, and it will successfully add these apps here. So to always allowed. It will always allow to your contact. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.